Hi everyone, welcome back. So we know that to achieve precision control over energy and movement in a sound, two things are actually involved when it comes to mixing. Talk about the attack, that is the transient, which is where the punch of a kick, the crack of a snare, or the consonants of vocals, guitars lies. Then the second one is the release or the sustain, which has to do with the body of the sample, the resonance, decay, room tone, sustain, etc. So today we'll be checking out a plugin that can actually split a sample into two, giving you the opportunity to independently manipulate the attack and the release of that sample, which makes it a lot easier for you to have total control and fine-tune that sample to achieve professional quality. And by the way, this plugin we'll be checking out is 100% free, and it is from one of our favorite plugin developer, Analog Obsession. So introducing to you Attractor by Analog Obsession. Looking at the UI, it is very intuitive and the color is relaxed. It's not disturbing or affecting your sight. To this section, you get the low feature, which basically, if you can see from Plugin Doctor, which basically boosts and reduces this particular set of frequencies, but in this type of shape, as you can see. Now followed by this release. So with the help of Plugin Doctor, you have a detailed insight to what happens at the back end or under the hood while manipulating with this plugin. This is for dynamics. Alright, nothing happened here. And that's for the performance. Alright, now followed by the high. As you can see, the shape is given as shelf, boosting and reducing it. Now for the compression, you can actually see how that performs with the feature here. So you noticed when I toggle this, interesting, and it see why it's very important to have tools like this so that you can actually know what is going on at the back end of the plugin you are using. So there we have the saturation, the volume, the master, the mix. And to this section is for the attack. Like I said earlier, this plugin helps to split an audio signal, giving you the opportunity to manipulate the attack independently and the release. So enough of the talk, let's have a sound demo to hear it in action. So what is actually happening here? I needed to pause to explain it. With the help of this volume knob, I was able to mute the attack sound of the drum loop and just listen to only the release. With that, I was able to now shape the release, to suit what I'm actually going for, both on the low and on the high, then also determine the best position to set the compression. So at this point, I wanted more of the compressed release information. All right, so it's all about your taste, it's all about what you are going for, but don't take it for what I'm saying. This is just to demonstrate and show you how it works. Alright, so I believe you had it, and I hope this demonstration was able to make things clearer on how this plugin actually works. So I'll be leaving the link in the description. Try it out and let us know your thoughts, your findings about this plugin. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, share with your producer friends, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on your bell notification for more content like this. And if you want to check out more free amazing plugins that I've covered on this channel, the video on the screen is a playlist. Go there, who knows, you might find something super interesting that you need at the moment, and I will see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.